A push-pull train connects the central station to the wayside stop just off the freight yard. This line, logically operated, is fully automatized. The stretch is a double-track one, while the termini are single-track. The signals regulate entry and exit of the trains. At the other end, a small scratch-built funicular takes the miniature tourists to the upper level, where a passage covered by a transparent canopy crosses the main line and leads to the terminal station of the narrow-gauge panoramic line that climbs up the mountain. A steep path goes to the monastery. Again, the attention to detail is remarkable. Besides the railway line, two mountain villages are linked by a road where scale vehicles run automatically thanks to the fallow car system. This simple and yet ingenious system lets the motor vehicles run as if they were remotely controlled. Actually, each one of them, be it a bus, a car or a lorry, is fitted with a shoe with a tiny magnet that makes the vehicle follow the preset route consisting of a fine steel wire buried at about 2 millimeters below the tarmac. Vehicles also have an electric motor and working steering, a battery replacing the fuel tank. They are switched on through a micro switch underneath the chassis, and stops are controlled through a reed switch operated via an underground electromagnet. In this case, the electric coils operate the turnouts that switch through the variants of the stretch. The electromagnets, buried along the road, stop the vehicles through the fitted reed switches. A maximum of 4 vehicles can run simultaneously on the stretch. A shadow station completes the main railway line. Hidden from sight, it features 3 storage tracks plus a running track in the opposite direction. This shadow station is connected to the main line with 2 loops that allow complete trains to be reversed. Another train forming yard is positioned just off the central station. Coupling and uncoupling of carriages and wagons is automatic. but all the shunting is remotely controlled by the operator. Current feed is 15 volts AC. An instant 24 volts impulse switches the relay that changes the running direction of each loco. At the remote end of the layout, underneath the second mountain village, about halfway through the main line, two reversing loops allow the operator to move trains from one line to the other, making them enter the central station from the opposite direction. All these maneuvers are controlled by this electric panel.